In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a wired mouse to laptop Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which mouse model you have, using it with a wired connection is extremely simple. This will work with any laptop that you have and with any model of mouse. So all that you have to do is establish a physical connection between the mouse and the laptop using a cable. So if your mouse is wired only, the cable is already going to be attached to it, but sometimes it might be a detachable cable. If it is not attached, then plug it into the mouse. For modern mice, it is going to be a USB-C port on the mice itself, but for older ones, you might encounter micro USB instead. Your mice should include a USB cable, but you can grab different ones if you prefer. So plug the cable into the mouse if needed, and the other end goes into your laptop. There is no secret to this, so you can find any available USB port. Of course, look for either USB-A or USB-C depending on the cable that you are using. So if you have, for example, a USB-C to USB-C, you will need a USB-C port on the laptop, but most of the time it is going to be USB-C to USB-A. So as soon as you establish this connection, you should be good to go. The mouse will be picked up automatically by Windows and the necessary drivers will be installed. If they don't work right away, you can right-click the Windows icon, go to Device Manager, and under the mice and other pointing devices, they should appear here. If they don't, go over to Action and scan for hardware changes. You can right-click them and update the driver to make sure that they work. With this done, you should be good to go. Depending on the brand of mouse that you are using, they might have additional software. So for example, this one from Logitech has the Logitech G Hub. So if you want to download additional software, visit the manufacturer's website and look for any piece of software that might unlock additional features for your mouse. But usually this is going to be optional and you don't have to download the software if you would rather not use those features or you don't like bloat on your PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect wired mouse to laptop Windows 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.